Man, I can't wait to wash this dirty truck. Filthy. Whew. Got the tools out. See if we can find out what's up with these lights on this trailer. I climbed underneath it, and everything was fine when I climbed underneath it. There was no broken wires or anything, so it's either in here or back there, but all the wiring was good. So we'll pop that open and see if if I see, I'll get my test light out and test the circuits inside there. Pop this thing open real quick and get in there. Let's see. It's a little nasty. So that's what it looks like in there. This one looks pretty corroded. All of them look pretty bad, honestly. But nothing looks broken. So I'll go get my test light and see what's doing what's working, what's not. I think it's in the truck. Hold up. Didn't get my test light out yet, but I'm thinking right here is my issue. Might be able to just take this loose and clean those up. Look at all that corrosion and nastiness. Might get lucky. I'll grab my test light and test it though first. I think that's our issue. Well, I didn't even get the test light out. I kind of started messing with the wires a little bit, and then I realized that this was a little loose. I can move it with my hand. It's not tight at all. So I think I'm gonna take it loose, clean it up real good, put it back together and see what's up, and then test this. Well, this is obviously working because the other lights are working. It's just a set of lights isn't working. So one of these two isn't getting a good connection. So we'll see what happens. All right, we'll run our first little test, see what happens. Nope, still not working. Wait, nope. Look at that. We got lightage, boys. Yeah, we got lightage. We got lightage. We're lighted. Come on, last one working. This one's not working. So we'll have to check that out. It might be something with that light, but the other side there were some. Let's see. That's on. So this circuit running across here. There's something running across there that ain't working. That one's on. This one's on. And this one's not on. So must have some broken wires in some other places, but we're off to a good start now. Now we know that it's not in there. That's good now. Now we know it's somewhere else. Let's figure this out. Let's get some work done today. Pulling up on one of the other ones. It's been sitting for a while. Go ahead and jump the battery. I know it's dead. I know for a fact. It's been sitting for so damn long. Get that damn door open. Click the switch. Ooh, got cobwebs on it and everything. All over. I know it's dead, but it lit up already. See how much fuel we got in it. We ain't got that much in there, but enough to fit and let it run for a little bit. Oh no, wow, it's not dead. I don't know, might not have enough to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood up because I don't think it has enough to get started. I think it's gonna need just a little help. If it starts, I'd be very surprised. Run my jumper, dug them out the garage. Let's see. I'm still going through all these little checks. Just I don't think it has enough. We'll hear in a second. Battery over there. Big car stereo battery over there. Uh-oh. Nope, not enough to start. I knew it. 1 second. Everything up. Let's see if it's got enough now. Nope, still not enough. Maybe I don't have good enough bite. Alright, I had to change the spot. And now I got it to respond a little bit better. I turned it off. And gonna let it charge up a little bit because it's only reading like 12 volts, 12.4 or something like that. I hooked up to this and I switched it to the other side and started reading 13 something. So I think that we're gonna get it started now. Well, I'll mess with those lights in a few days. I'm actually gonna have my buddy mess with them in a few days because, like I said, it's those set across the back and the other front one on the other side. But for now, I got to do that. I got to grab the other covers for the front, and that'll be, you know, part of, well, next week's Thanksgiving, so it'll be part of the week after Thanksgiving stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the old girl out real quick, get that one ready. This one I gotta do, also gotta do a brake chamber on this one too. And I think that's it. Oh, and 2 tires. So we get all those things ironed out with this, grab this one, start getting some things worked out with this one. And then we should be getting close to pulling the fun one out. Man, I can't wait to wash this dirty truck. Filthy.